Yo, one moment. Let me share my screen. There we go. Let's close this out. All right, looking good. So you guys can see me. Make sure I send this out. All right, so you guys can see my screen. Right now, what we're looking for is, well, obviously we have a bunch of built-up highs, but looking for at least Asia range here for price to trade up to. Mark it out. I do acknowledge that ES is a little bit behind. But that's okay because it has a really nice setup as well. And also, I mean, obviously ES is at like all-time highs. What's up, Rocky, B-Dub, Coxie? How y'all doing? And even I'm willing to take a trade on gold because it's been a lot more expansionary. You see, we finally broke out of this range. But main focus is indices. I do like this the setup right here though that's forming on gold. So we have manipulation at the lows, bunch of highs above. I see a few no wicks in here, which is nice. 2 minute. I'm thinking we go long on gold here, honestly. What's up, credit doctor? So, and no wicks. And let me like kind of look at the setup and then I'll explain it. Sorry, I don't want price to move without us. So we have 3 minutes. I don't know why it's logging me out. A 5 minute, 3 minute. Looking at these inversions right here, I'm trying to set up my TP and stop loss. I have some no wicks right here. Asia high, price delivering off the lows. Okay, I'm gonna go long here on gold with 2 micro contracts. We'll try that out. I'm gonna keep kind of like a wider stop here. And we'll target Asia high. Yeah, I feel like I need even a wider stop from the one I currently have. Like 15 minute, everything looks good. It's just like it's gonna have a lot of length to go. Okay, so no wicks essentially, and let me see if I can show you on the screen what it looks like. So we have some right here, and my eye instantly goes to them. So I'll mark them out. These are areas where price within that candle has not traded to, it's typically an imbalance. So price will go to essentially trade back to it. Any area, whether it has gaps, any kind of gap or imbalance, price is going to want to trade back into because it has a lack of orders in that area. And so that's typically common with like a no wick. Um, Price never gave a wick or there's no buyers or sellers within that area. It just opened and then closed lower. And especially because it's a newer one right here, we know that price never got an opportunity to have buyers or sellers there. Price is likely to run towards it. Um, I guess it's kind of like hard to explain it that way too, because it's like it's somewhat faith based, but it's not because it's statistically like more likely to trade there, you know. So TP, I'm looking at Asia high right now, and I'm low size, wider stop loss, because it's gold. Um, Gold takes a little bit of space to run. What's up, Naveen? Nice, brother. Nice trades. It's like we're getting a little bit of momentum in here. Yeah, we'll have to see a big spike in volume here. I mean, it happened yesterday on gold. It's been running a lot, so hopefully it happens again. The 5 minute, well, I typically go from higher to lower, but in terms of like my tiers of entry wise, I typically will only go the highest is the 5 minute. Um, because I think the 15 minute, 30 minute are just too large. But yeah, so I'll go from 5 to 1 minute. Within that time span is gonna be my entry. Because I think 5 minute it's good for like it's good for bias, it's good for entry. It has it kind of wears multiple suits. Where it just has a lot of strengths, right? And so I think the 5 minute right here looks super clean. We came up above, inverted the 5 minute right away, and then now we're just kind of waiting for price to respect that area and just run through it. Yes, I did enter on the 5 minute. It just depends, honestly. Like the best inversion right here is coming off of the 5 minute fair value gap. Whereas if I look right here, if I go down to the 1 minute, there's like multiple right here that are just not as clean. So the 5 minute just has that much more intention. Stop loss is down here 4308. Entry is 4325. Well, I mean, technically if you're trading the 1 minute, it's the same price action, right? but it's just the setup looks cleaner on the 5 minute, so that's what it's based off of. What's up, Henry? I guess yeah, you could say it's less jumpy because if we go on the 1 minute, um, there's a lot going on. But if we head over to the 5 minute, it kind of clears everything out. I think with gold too, gold respects 5 minute areas more than the lower time frame areas. Like 5 minute and above, it's gonna respect those. Whereas Nasdaq, you could be insanely accurate on the 1 minute. That's just it has more volume, you know. How do you do the split screen? So at the top left over here, you're gonna hit plus. You're gonna hit chart, and then you're able to drag that second one that opens up onto the right side, like kind of like this. Let me um, let me show you. Should let me do it on this one. Here we go. That's not working for me right now. That's weird. Yeah, normally you're able to just drag it over. Alternatively, you could hit multi-chart right here, and it'll let you open up a second chart over here on the right side. Let me just share that one. Yes. Yeah, you can. So right here I have NASDAQ open, and over here I have gold open. So I could trade either one. And I could also even have bracket orders independently for each one. Yes, sir. I have not touched my stop loss. Price is just kind of in one area right now. What's the word, Tweety Bird? What's up, Hyro? What do you think about longs, Henry, on gold? We finally broke out of our range. It was like a month that price action was down here. Finally seeing some expansion. Yeah, well, yeah, of course, we definitely have more to go on Nasdaq. Could do a dual position right here. We have Asia and London high left. It's probably down here, brother. Probably at the very bottom. 250, nice. Probably like a 5 point stop loss. Doesn't gold move opposite of Nas usually? Honestly, recently no. Like it's technically supposed to, but it really doesn't. It would in the past, but there's a lot of weird stuff going on economically in the world where it just does whatever it wants. Let's be honest. Goes mostly but based off of like the dollar currency. How are we feeling? Well, we're in gold buys. It's kind of going slow, but we are in profit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Um, Honestly, Abdom still in the vicinity. I think you could still enter. Yeah, I don't. I think it's still a good area. Uh, the way that I approach it, EH7 trades, the break even. If we have like very aggressive price movement, then I might move my stop loss towards break even very fast. Whereas if it's slow moving, and especially gold is one of the ones where you have to give it breathing room. Um, then I take a while before I typically um go break even. I typically wait till it's like almost TP1. Whereas NASDAQ, I'm more willing to go break even as soon as we break, like, as soon as we have some momentum. Like for instance, say we were long inside of like this fair value gap and price broke through these highs with momentum, then I'm going break even right there. Whereas I'm might give it more space if it's, if it's gold. It just all kind of depends. A lot of it is discretionary for me. But I think if you're like a newer trader and you're using break even, um, just Nasdaq, be aggressive with it. Gold, don't be as aggressive with it. Like, just to keep it simple. Like, it's breaking that first high, just go break even. Gold, leave it wide for a long time. Because then even Nasdaq, I mean, there's certain moments where you should keep it wide, but it all depends. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, credit doctor. 45 points. Why not 5? That's fair. Fair assessment. Kind of stalled out on both sides right here. I think gold. I mean, gold is different though. Honestly, gold will consolidate for a long time, and then you'll see a huge spike in volatility. So, not really worried about that. Yeah, I think it's still good looking because we have like these internal highs that have not been hit yet. Yeah, this 30-minute candle looks beautiful on gold. Came up, closed, little bit of weakness at the high, but that's okay because we have more progress to make in here. And then this next candle should be a green candle. We'll see. See, papi. How are you guys liking the switch? Marky, London, Nick, Asia. I've been meaning to hop in one of the two just to say hi. Just haven't had a chance. Nick's killing it. I got a joke with Nick a little bit, you know. I gotta I gotta enlighten the mood with Marky. Yeah, market's a bit sideways here. No, it definitely has price is definitely bullish. Both NASDAQ and gold, Drew. There we go. A little bit of volatility. Push gold. Push. Yeah, it definitely is a little bit struggling. At least we're not in drawdown. You know, we're still on the right side. Oh, Warren Buffet. Never heard of the guy. You had to mute me, Henry. Excuse me. Please don't do that again. Why do I have an eval on LFF? Cause go trade it. Don't even question it. Literally. Sorry, I'm busy. I can call you back. Nah, just say sorry, I'm busy. Hang up. Yeah, so here's the plan. When price eventually reaches this high up here, would like to tighten stop loss a bit. And then as we push these highs, we could go break even. And then final TP is up here. Um, Hopefully we see something. Would like to see at least this for us to move within this 30-minute time frame. The rest of the 30-minute candle. How long will I hold it? At least till I go. A lot of the time, I'll go based off of closures, and like I mentioned, I like the 30-minute. So I mean, if it hasn't moved till that 30-minute mark, then but we're getting volatility now, so I don't think that's something we need to worry about too much. Oof, nice, pumping, pumping, pumping. Okay, we're gonna tighten right here. Come on, gold. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Why is US 30 bearish when NAS is bullish? It's been doing that recently. YM does that now. Weirdly, never did it before. I mean, it used to do it occasionally, but right now it seems as if YM has its own like agenda. I don't know what's more naughty, Gold or Nick. Dude, I should at him on that. Nah, he'll fight me. You know that guy in Australia that does the POV Mr. Train videos? I don't know, sadly. Sounds like some good lore there. No stress, Azelba. No stress. All time highs, facts. Yeah. It's gold buys. Just watching indices right now. Alright, check it. Alright, check it. We just got into some gold buys. 5-minute IFEG. Eyes up here. Looking for some follow through. See how 15 minutes shaping up. Kind of slow. Slow price action. What do you guys have planned for the day? Oh wait, it came all the way back. I know. Unfortunate. Sleeping, working, trading, and then work. Dude, the Spider-Man movie was fire, bro. I just watched it last night. It's really good. Zendaya dies. No. I'm joking. I'm joking. The whole chat's about to kill me. What you mean she dies? She does not die. Still a spoiler. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't kill me. Oh my god. There's a lot of possibilities that can happen inside of the movie involving Zendaya. Let's talk about the market. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, let's not talk about that. You're right. My bad, King. um, Not necessarily simplistic. As I mentioned, I mean they'll run alongside each other now, indices and gold. It's not traditional, but I mean it'll happen. I haven't watched The Odyssey. I do want to go see it. There's an IMAX theater like 40 minutes from me. I feel like Hyro's gonna have like a paragraph and a good explanation why he didn't like it. Never mind. That was completely wrong. I thought bro was about to cook up like a nasty paragraph on why it's not a good movie. Bro was about to drop the Rotten Tomatoes. Just a quick review. Just send us a voice message, Hyro. Thanks. Just a 10-minute review. Tell us why. I think that's a bad approach that just because he directed the movie, that it can't be a bad movie. I mean, it could be a bad movie, you know. A cow gone, Henry. Brother. Just within that one day. I'm gonna leave you on a cliffhanger, Rocky. The Prestige. It's fire. Not used to daily loss limits. Dude, Interstellar, yeah, that was one of the best movies of all time. 100%. Price is just slow on gold. And, for desperate measures. At whatever cost. Celery entry, that's crazy. I mean, I don't know. Gold is hit or miss. Sometimes you have the biggest expansion ever, and then sometimes you see nothing. But definitely with like us breaking out, I would have expected us to see continuation. Sure, we still will, but it'll probably be in a different session at this point. We'll give it like rest of this 30-minute candle. Still haven't patched the crying method. I think it's still overall valid, simplistic, but as we get deeper into the session, it lessens the effectiveness. That's fair, Henry. Fair assessment. Bro, what is going on over there, Rocky? I don't know. I've not seen that before. Hope so, Zelba. Hope so. Definitely Henry. I feel like that was like Nick or something. Like, who else would that be? Just got gifted an eval. Instantly full ported it. Trying to win you back, but I got you on a chokehold. Not metaphorically, literally. Would be nice. It would be nice. I wish I could have a free account. You gotta say it like that. Maybe they'll send you one. What's up, Marcus? How you doing, bro? You got your name back. We should change you to Marcus Bitcoin guy. It's not far from mine either, Rocky. You just gotta lock in. No Bitcoin, just XRP. Bring enough volume with you, Zelda. Yeah, that's facts, Marcus. That is facts. See what this 30-minute closure is like. Looks like we're pulling up now. Does this look clean? That's fire, brother. Fire, Marcus. What you mean it looks clean? Remember, you gotta listen to Ski Slopes. Dude, I'm scared to put that song on. I'm scared. Is it rated E for everyone? Camera lens, no. And it went back up in profit. Alright, I'm gonna play it on here. Dude, I'm gonna get copyrighted on freaking YouTube. I would definitely play it if I wasn't live on YouTube. Sounds pretty fire. Shoot. Now comes a hard decision. Should we close the trade? Because we are approaching that 30-minute mark that I wanted to see huge expansion from within that time frame. We haven't seen it. I think that's the adult decision to make, is to unfortunately close out the trade, break even. Sorry to the people that yeah, to the people that just got in, but it's a break even trade for me. Straight buns, straight 45 minutes. No expansion. It was a song. As soon as I stopped playing it. Shoot. Well, nice attempt, guys. No worries. We do have NFP tomorrow, which actually I was really looking forward to. Uh, Usually there's good price action, so yeah, the high cortisol in the room. Pump it. He was holding us back. Shoot, it was a nice attempt. Ah, all right, Rocky. Catch you, brother. I know it's just gonna run without us now. It is literally in profit, but yes, sir, Sir Marcus. I don't do that credit. Talking to the wrong person. It's a song. Yeah, so nice steady price movement to the Asia London high on NASDAQ. I did like longs. If I'm being honest, I did take some on my own earlier, but did not want to get into a overly optimistic market and us see like this consolidation. But this consolidation and expansion was a lot better than what we saw in gold, and really thought gold would move, but it is unfortunately slow. Really nice setup still. I mean, and it's continuing to develop. We have a 15-minute gap now. Asia highs above. 4 hour is delivering very bullishly on gold as well. And then going forward from gold, I mean, we're most likely gonna see, some of these daily highs getting hit in here. That's really what's expected. And going into NASDAQ, we ended up leaving a major high up here. So price is obviously going to come back to it, but we also have a daily fair value gap in here. And that next candle should be bullish. Hopefully tomorrow. We'll see what NFP does. But thank y'all for stopping by. A lot of you guys stayed till the end. If you're still in that gold trade, you're in profit. I mean, nothing bad about it. But yeah, I am gonna hop off. What time is it at, B-Dub? I might be there. Just depends. 4. I'll try to be there. Yeah, I'll probably be there. Alright. Yes, sir. I'll see you, B-Dub. Marcus, you have a wonderful day. Credit, Maranti, Rocco, Henry, Renhe. Yes, sir. Big dubs. Alright, I'll catch y'all tomorrow on the flip side. Peace, peace, peace. Y'all have